In Rome, temple students are adapting to an important part of the local culture, the food. Along with exploring the many restaurants, the students have the opportunity to take cooking classes taught by local chefs such as Maria Laura.
So they know the different kind of cooking, but also it's important to share with the other person the Italian life.
Laura, who teaches the class alongside her husband, has spent the past 10 years teaching students and families how to make cultural staples such as pasta and tiramisu.
I think they learn, yes, the Italian style, the Italian life, because I think it's different from the United States.
Students such as Anya Fernandez-Foss have found themselves making Italian cuisine and learning about Roman culture in the process.
That's something that's really showing with the Italian culture is like they like aperitivo, they like to spend time with each other, and they do that through food instead of just eating for like nutrients.
In a city with over 8,000 restaurants, many students find themselves overwhelmed by the amount of options. Fortunately, Student Life Coordinator Gianni Morangio aims to make the experience a bit easier.
I really hope students can learn more about Italian culture in general, Italian food, after a semester spent in Rome.
With the clock winding down until the end of the semester, Morangio says he hopes students will return home with a new appreciation for Italian cuisine. Reporting from Rome for Temple Update, I'm Nathan Mutale.